my team 19 to show you our database and our functions for our system. So let's start our system right away. After you start, you can see the login options. Here we already create some database for you to log in to use all the function depends on your roles. For example, let log in as admin. After you successfully log in with admin, you will see your admin menu. Here is the place for you to create your account. Depends on your role as policy owner, policy holder, and dependents. So after you create it, you can view the claim right here. This is all the claim that we have created before, and you will see the status claim ID and all the information as well. And another function is to add dependents to policies. So after you create a policy and dependents, you will have a chance to add them to the policies holder which do not have dependents at the moment. So for example, let's create a new policy holder PH000. And you will see the new policyholder have been created. You can choose to edit the password and full name right here, or you can choose to delete it as well. So let's delete the old one here, and you can see now it's been deleted, right? So let's exit and create dependents. So here you can see like there to your old data dependents and create new one. Here, finish, and you can choose to delete as the same as the policy holder as well. So let's try to add dependents for policy holder. Here you can see like all the policy holder that doesn't have and have the dependents here. So for the policy holder doesn't have dependent at the moment, you have the chance to add it. So for example, let's add to the new policy holder which is create right here. Add. There is two dependent that currently don't have any policy holders to attach to. So select one of those. Click add again. You can see now your policy holder have been attached to one of the dependents, right? And choose to remove it if you want. Here, and when you click to view it again, you see the dependents have been removed. So let's try to jump to our policy owner to see the function. Here we create some policy owner ID for you to test, so you don't have to create a new one. Okay. So for policy owner, you have a function like view policy, view dependents, view claim, and add insurance card for policy holder. For the policy holder to create a claim, you require to have an insurance card. If the policy holder do not have the insurance card, it cannot create claim. And when you try to do it, it will appear an error message for you. So let's try to add insurance card for our policy holder. Here you can see there are two policy holders currently that don't have the insurance card. Let's add it to one of them. So let's add to our new policy holders. Here I choose 000 2025. Insurance card has been as you can see, this insurance card have been accessed. So let's create a new one, change it into 6. Now you can view the policy holder and you can see successfully add a new insurance card. When you do the dependent, it's the same. View claim is to see the claim that you create. before. So let's hop into policyholder to test our function. Okay. For policyholder, you can get the information of policyholder. You can create your claim and view claim that you create, and view your dependent. So get information is to get the information of policyholder you create before. Here you can see, and for view dependent is to view all dependents that attached to you as a policyholder. You can add dependent more. For example, here is another dependent. If I click add, it adds to this policyholder as well. And if I click remove, it removes. You can update the your dependents as well. So here, if I click on update, you have the option to change the name. For example, I change to G. Update, and you can see full name has been changed to G. Okay. So let's create some claim. Fix. Here you can choose the option to create claim for policyholder or for your dependents that attached to you. Yeah, I just choose option to create for policyholder. Stamp date will be today, 05/2024. Claim amount will be like 4,000. Document be a.pdf, or another. You want to add another document, you can comment b.pdf. For bank, you have to fill to fit with this requirements. So the bank name, click on bank. So be, for example, like that. And when you click submit, and when you view claim, you can see the claim you just create, and you can update or delete it, depends on you. So for the dependents, the dependence is the same as policyholder, but it have less options, less function than our policyholder, since the dependents are less privileged. So it only have function like get the information of dependents and view or the claim that they create. Because like we didn't create the claim for dependents before in the policy function, so you will not see any claim function here. So let's log into our insurance survivor. Test the functions. So after you log in at Insurance Survivor, so remember the claim that you create before, it will pending right here. So you have to wait for the Insurance Survivor Insurance Manager to approve. Then this status will change to approve, and then this meaning your claim has been successfully. So as you can see here, you can have the option to search by ID. For example, I want to search the only ID here, so I search 00006. Yeah, it will show only my ID I want to search. Or I can search by oldest state. It will appear from the oldest state to the newest, or the newest to the oldest. So now I just create, I just approve. And that's all for Insurance Survivor. It's the same for Insurance Master as well. When you log in, it's also show you the claim that you must approve. And let's check the status. So we have to log into admin again and view the claim. As you can see, your claim has been completed. That's all for our system. Thank you for listening.